Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your General Knowledge Virtual Classroom. So, before starting the chapter, let me once again remind you to please like and subscribe to my channel, and you can share this video also with your classmates. So, let's start. Today, in this module, we are going to start a new chapter from the unit Leisure and Lifestyle, chapter number 22, Athletics Field Events. Please refer to page number 48 and 49 for this chapter. We all know that in athletics, some events are held on the track and some on the field. The field events include 3 jumps, 1 vault, and 4 throws. These all we are going to discuss in this unit, in this chapter. Okay. The first one is the long jump. It is an event in which sprinters usually excel. Sprinters are someone who runs short distance at top speed or very fast. They cover the distance. In this, the participant jumps and starts off from a line or a flat board, and he or she try to land as far as possible in a sand pit, and the one who jumps the farthest wins this. You all have seen this in our school also. This long jump is held in the sports festival. Jesse Owens, Bob Bayman, and Carl Lewis were the champions at this event. They were the champions of the long jump field event. Next one is triple jump. Its original name was hop, step, and jump. It is quite similar to the long jump event. In this, the participant runs fast and takes off from a line or a board to take a hop, then he step and then he jump into a sand pit. Christian Taylor of the USA won the gold medal in this event at the 2017 World Championships. High jump. In this event, champions who are usually tall athletes who can take off from the ground as if there is a spring in their shoes. So the bar keeps getting raised higher and higher, and the athlete who jumps higher than the others win this event. You all must have seen this event in Sports Day. Earlier, athletes used to jump over the bar facing downwards. This strategy was called the straddles. Nowadays, they face upwards with their back closer to the bar. You can see in the image, this is called the Fosbury flop. Okay, this is the new technique they are following. Next one is pole vault. The participant uses a long flexible pole as an aid to jump over a bar. You can see it is made up of fiber, glass or carbon fiber. Next are the throws. First one is discus throw. The participant has to throw a disc that weighs 2 kg for men and 1 kg for women. So the one who throws it to the farthest wins the event. They have to throw the disc from standing within a small circle, and then the distance is measured, that who has thrown the farthest. Next throw is hammer throw. This is originated in 15th century. It's a very challenging event. The athlete should have the strength, technique, speed and accuracy to win this event. The thrower rotates his or her body in a circular motion. Then gradually the speed increases, and with each turn he then releases the hammer from the circle. Next is shot put throw. the athlete has to throw a heavy ball spherical object which is called the shot as far as possible. So it weighs 7.26 kg for men and for women 4 kg. So athlete has to throw the shot from the circle. So all throws are done from the circle. Next one is javelin throw. The participant throws a spear which is about 2.5 meter in length. As far as he or she can, the thrower gains the momentum by running within a prescribed area and then releases the spear from a fixed line. They cannot cross that line. So, in all the throwing events, the one who throws the farthest win the throws. So this is it for today. So with this our chapter completes. Now this is B and C exercise. Filling the blanks. You have to do this in your book only. Please complete this on page number 49. It is given. Thank you for watching, students.